Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. So today we are covering indirect taxation in SAP, that is GST. Okay, so first of all, what is GST? GST is Goods and Services Tax, which is levied on purchase and sale of goods or service, or we can say supply of goods or services. There are two types of taxes, that is output tax and input tax in GST. Output tax means which is levied on outward supply of goods or services, whereas input tax is levied on inward supply of goods or services. Also, there is a concept of interstate and intrastate GST. Interstate is levied when supply of goods or services are within the state, whereas interstate supply is levied on supply of goods or services out of the state. Okay, so let's start. Go to the screen. Okay, so type SPRO. See, first of all, I'll explain you. See, in GST, we have to create a, so first of all, we have to create a tax procedure. So I'm showing you how to create the tax procedure. Okay, so for that, go to SPRO screen, reference IMG, then financial accounting global settings, tax on sale and purchases, then basic setting, then go check calculation procedure, then define procedure. See, here there are tax procedures are defined for various countries. Okay, so in SAP there is a standard one for India is tax IND and see tax IND. See, here there is nothing. So we'll do one thing. We can copy from one another company. See, we'll copy this, highlight this, and just click on copy and give your name. So I am giving GST FI. GST FI, FI for FIFA. So GST procedure for FIFA and then enter. See, copy all entries. Okay, let's go and check. No, it is not copied correctly. I am deleting this. Once again, I'll copy. GST FI for FIFA. Okay, first of all, I have to save the data. Thereafter, we come save. Now again, copy. Enter. Copy all. See, number of dependent entries copied 8. Click here. Okay. Then we'll go check this FIFA. See, all these entries has been copied. Will come later here. Okay. Just go back. Go back. Is save. Thereafter, we need to define the condition type. Then click here. Define condition type. Okay. Here we need to define a condition type. So what is condition type? So condition type is nothing but it is a key which needs to be assigned to the each conditions. Okay. So what is condition? It is basically like taxes. IGST output tax, EGST, SGST output tax, then IGST input tax, EGST, SGST input taxes. Okay. And one more thing, what is non-deductible tax? Non-deductible tax means of which we organization are not getting the input for that, so that need to be added to that specifically to their particular expenses or purchases. Okay, for which organization are not getting some any input. Okay. Okay, so let's do it. So in SAP, there is predefined condition type is MWWS. Okay, let's see what is it. Okay, so here we have to define our own. So either we can copy this or we can assign our own. So let's copy this. Okay, then we have to assign a key, FFIO. FFIO for IGST output tax. Okay, FFIO for output IGST. Okay, then and access sequence. What is it? Access sequence is, see, tax classification. In our case, it is MWST, that is tax classification. So condition class should be, it is taxes. Okay, we are maintaining taxes, right? Calculation type, yes, we want it in percentage. Okay, then condition category, it should be tax again. Okay, so then rounding rule, what is it? It is nothing but rounding of the figure if figures are given in decimals. Okay, structure condition, leave it. Then group condition, it is applicable when there is integration of system with FI. Okay, so then header condition, what is header condition? Suppose let's take an example. We are having one invoice and there are 6 items in it, so it is possible that all items may have different tax code. So header condition means you can give one tax code for one invoice, which is not at all possible. Okay. And what is item condition? It means that you can give different tax code to different item. So just tick here and rest, leave. Okay. Not relevant for us. Like this, we have to create all. See, like this, we have to create all these conditions. So I'm creating one by one. Next is FFCO CGST output. See, FFIO, right now we created this. Let's copy this only. And just you need to change this FFCO and output CGST. Rest, all the things remain same. Okay. And save. So I have created all the condition type in SAP. Okay. Thereafter, we need to assign accounting keys to it. So I did this also. So I'll show you. For this, for assigning accounting keys, go to see under tax and sale, tax on sales and purchases, basic settings, then check and change setting for tax processing. Okay. See, my keys are, I'll show you how to create this keys. FIO. See, FIO. Okay. See, FIO, IGST output tax. So FIO, this is the key, it which should be unique. Okay. Then description, IGST output tax, then tax type. As this is output tax, so I have selected output tax here. Thereafter, posting key, non-deductible, leave this, posting key. So I have selected separate line item, posting indicators. Okay, it should be in separate line item. After this, just save it. So like this, I have created all such keys, input and output tax. Say I'll show you one input. For input tax, here tax type should be input tax. Okay. So this, after this, once again go to check calculation procedure, define procedure. Okay. Thereafter, we'll check GSTFI. Okay. Highlight this control data. See, here we have to change such keys. Okay. So 100 is base 100 is base amount. Okay. We are not going to change this from 110. I'll change all the keys. Okay. These are the conditions. Okay. These are condition type and these are accounts key, account key. So these two things only we need to change here. Okay. I'll give one by one. Okay. This is input IGST tax, FFII, FFII, then input CGST, FFCI, then FFSI, then output IGST tax, FFIO, CGST, FFCO, FFSO. Okay, against this, we need to assign this FII, then FCI, FSI, FIO, FFCO, sorry, FCO, FSO. Okay, and non-deductible, we have not maintained this, so delete this. Condition type FFI not defined. Okay, save this. Okay, thereafter, then go back. Okay, then next step is calculation. Under tax and sales purchases, go to calculation, define tax code for sale and purchases. Here we have to define a separate tax on sale or purchases code for each country. Okay, each code contains one or more tax rates. Let's see how does it work. Country India, as I'm maintaining for India, then tax code. Okay, so tax code. So if we have to report non-taxable or tax exempt sale or purchases, for that we have to define a tax rate with value 0. For that, I'm assigning F0 and M0. Okay, let's see. So type F0, F0 for output. Okay, enter. Then tax code F0. Here we have to give a description. Okay, 0 output tax, output IGST 0. Okay, then tax type, output tax, then check ID. Okay, then check here. Okay, input tax GST, input integrated, and here output tax 0, assign 0 and save. Okay, now next, see, these are the tax code for each type of percentage. Okay, let's say I have 5% category and 12% category. I'll right now I'm showing you 12% category. Okay, and these are the tax codes. Next is F1, enter, then F1 for output IGST 12%. Here it is, output tax, check ID, enter. See, here output integrate tax 12%. Then save it. Okay, then F2, check ID. Okay, here this is output CGST and output SGST. This is intrastate output tax. So here we have to give, say, output state GST is 6%, whereas output central GST 6%, 6 and 6 against code F2. Okay, just a second. Okay, under this F2 category, I am maintaining 6 and 6 and then save. Now this is input tax, check ID, enter, then input central GST 6% and SGST 6% and then save. Okay, one more thing. Okay, so today we have created condition type, accounting keys, and tax codes. Okay, now the next steps are like creation of GL accounts and assigning GL accounts to accounting keys, etc. We'll do in the next session. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.